in this lecture 4 we are going to solve the quiz of lecture 4 of transportation subject. So in starting, the question is, what is the difference between time mean and space mean speed? What is the difference between time mean and space mean speed? And this question is of 1 mark. So okay, so now time mean and space mean. So we can take count, kinetic count, distinction, space mean, auto speed, traffic, question, traffic flow, traffic example, traffic density, example flow, traffic flow, speed, schedule, density, example, speed flow relationship, speed flow relationship, speed, what is speed and density. So we have not got the difference between time mean and space mean speed. So uh, we will try for it next time. Okay, so the next question here is the next question is, what is the maximum qm if the flow speed is 10 meter per second and jam density is 32 vehicle per kilometer? So first of all we will solve this. Okay, so now here in this question, uh, what is the maximum, this one, and the question is this: what is the maximum qm if the free flow speed is 10 meter per second and the jam density is 32 vehicle per kilometer? So to solve it, we have, if you sit by side of road and witness, what is the traffic flow? So no, this question is not on traffic flow. Is here in this the, what is the maximum flow qm? We just need to find qm here, maximum flow, maximum flow qm. We need to find qm. Okay, qm, so the number of vehicles is q upon n upon t. Q is equals to n upon t. If the free speed is 10 meter per second, if the free flow speed is 10 meter per second and the jam density is 32 vehicle per kilometer. So 32 crossing 26 minutes. What is the traffic flow? No, traffic flow is the maximum flow. Traffic flow is the maximum flow. Vehicles on given length of road. Traffic density K is n upon L. Still, if you see 14 vehicles on a 30-meter length of highway, what is its density? Traffic density, traffic speed, maximum flow. This time mean speed. US is equals to the space mean speed and time mean speed. Okay, so this was the first question. What is the difference between time and speed? Is the speed calculated from the distance of vehicles? So we need to discuss about it. First, what is the maximum flow? Five vehicles pass and measuring point and the speed for each are recorded as this. What is the time mean speed? Time mean speed. Maximum flow. What is the space mean speed? One of the vehicle take flow density and speed. Headway. Space headway. Headway. Speed. Flow density. Flow density. Field. Book. Density. Speed density relationship. Q is equals to is Qm. Qm is equals to UF kj upon 4. Maximum flow. Here we just need to what is Q and UF kj kj upon 4. What is Qm? Here in our question, what is the maximum flow Qm? We need to find Qm. If the free flow speed is 10 meter per second, free flow speed, what is Qm? What is Qm? Qm we need to find. Okay, we need to find this Qm. This Qm. If the free flow speed is 10 meter per second, free flow speed. What is free flow speed? Free flow speed. What is free flow speed? And jam density. Oh, sorry, free flow speed is given. It is 10 meter per second. It is 10 meter per second. Okay, and jam density is jam density. Jam density is 32 vehicle per kilometer. Vehicle per kilometer. Okay, QM. We have just got one formula for QM. It is UFKJ upon 4. UFKJ upon 4. So this is UFKJ upon 4. Free flow speed is denoted by jam density is denoted by. We just need to find that by which letter they result UF. We have free flow speed, free flow speed, speed and jam density. And jam density we have these two, with flow density and speed. Free flow speed, flow relationship speed at maximum. Free flow speed Q and speed flow U equal to 0, Q equal to 0. Speed flow, free flow speed, flow density, jam density. density relationship. So flow for the road. Km is the density at maximum flow. At maximum flow. Km is the density at maximum flow. Km is the density at maximum flow. We have data sheet also. So let's check for data sheet. These are the different questions. Km is the density at maximum flow. Density at maximum flow. Um is velocity at maximum flow possible flow for the road. Um is maximum possible flow. Flow density. Density kg km is equals to kg upon 4. Kg upon 4. Km kg. Free flow speed and jam density. Get the kg. Jam density is the kg. Kg is the jam density kg. The jam density. The jam density kg is when the road is so densely populated with people that the stops. Flow stops. Free flow speed UF. UF. Jam density is the kg. Okay. UF is the free flow speed and kj is the jam density upon 4. So directly we have got UF. UF means the free flow speed. This is our UF now. This is our UF. UF. Okay. This is our UF which is 10, and this is the kj which is 32. Kj which is 32. Okay. So Qm is equals to UF kj upon 4. Qm is equals to UF kj upon 4. So now we can solve these questions very easily. So now Qm is equals to UF into kj upon 4. So just multiply UF kj upon 4. So UF is UF is 10, 10, and kj is 32. Kj is 32. Okay, upon 4. Okay, 4. 4 8 is a 32. Okay, and 10 8 is a 80. 80. Okay, so what is the maximum flow? Maximum flow is 80. So the correct option is 80 vehicles per hour. Okay, 80 vehicles per hour. So option D is correct. Option D is correct. Okay, so okay, so now it is now the next question will be what is the Km is equals to UF kj. Qm was the maximum flow, was the maximum flow, and UF was the free flow speed, free flow speed, and this Kj was the jam density, jam density. Okay. So the next question is which diagram does this figure refer to? Which diagram this does this figure refer to? Okay, the diagram is question number three. Question number three. This is a diagram. So which diagram is this? So we will 38. This speed and density. This diagram is UF and KJ. This is UF and KJ. Okay, UF, here it is UF and KJ. So you can this speed and density. So we can find speed and density. The option C is correct. Okay, the option C is correct. Speed and density. Speed and density diagram. This is for speed and density diagram. And the next one, aerial photograph of 1246 meter section of highway shows that there are 111 vehicles on it. What is the density of traffic? So we need to solve this one now. And so okay, we have this question: an aerial photograph of 2460 meter section of highway shows there are 111 vehicles. What is the density of traffic? Density of traffic. We just need to find the density. Meter section of highway shows there are 111 vehicle on it. What is the density of traffic? So in the question, numerical and length and time travel to next one of the vehicle takes 32 seconds to travel for 0.5 kilometers. What is the speed mean speed? Five vehicles pass a measuring point and speed for each are recorded as what is the space mean speed? Meter and vehicle. Vehicles on 30-meter length of what is its density? Density. So this question is similar to this. Okay, if you stand on a bridge and 14 vehicles, let's say 14 vehicles on a 30-meter length of highway, what is the density? So the similar question we have got here, and this is the question. Okay, this is the question, and the answer is like this. So answer is like this. Okay, so the formula is q is equals to what is the density of traffic. So simply q is equals to n upon t, where q is what is the density, simply what simple density we can say. N is what number of vehicle t is the uh, t is what 14 14 vehicles. Number of vehicle is half, and 30-meter length of the highway. What is the density? 50-meter length. T, what is this? 26. 26. N is 7 and T is 26. We need to understand it first. And see 14 vehicles on a 30-meter length. On a 30-meter length, what is the density of a vehicle travel in time t? U is where L is the length. L upon T. P times traffic speed. The number of vehicles. N is 7 but time is 26. 30-meter length. 30-meter length, but we need time. Length U, traffic speed. U is equals to L upon T. U is equals to L upon T. L upon T. T is time is 14 vehicles. 30-meter length of highways. And where this 26 as can T N upon N is the number of vehicles on a given length of ride. Hello. एक मिनट आवाज लेने आ रही बोलो अभी 2 बजे तो इससे अच्छा मैं काम करता हूँ ना अरे अभी 11 बजे तो अच्छा था तुम्हारी पढ़ाई नहीं थी तो मेरे टाइम पर कर नहीं देना मेरी पढ़ाई कर रही थी तो मैं पढ़ा के चले जाऊँगा उसके बाद तुम अपना करते रहो ना पढ़ते रहो आराम से हाँ 12 बजे तुम्हारा बच्चे दिखाओ ठीक है देखता हूँ मैं आंसर ठीक है चलो length of road, number of vehicle, traffic density. So this is the main formula. Okay, K is equals to N upon L. K is equals to N upon L. We require to use this formula. K is equals to N upon L, where K is what? K is the traffic density. Is the traffic density, and N is what? Number of vehicles, and L is what? Is the length of road. Okay, so we need to use this formula. So here it is k is equals to n upon l. K is equals to n upon l. We are not going to use this formula. uh, okay, so we will use this another formula. This formula we will not use this formula. We will use k is equals to n upon l. K is equals to n upon l. Okay, so k is the density, traffic density, density of traffic. K is the density of traffic. Okay, and n is what? N is the number of vehicles. So 111 vehicles are passing. Okay, then length of the section is 2460, so it is 2460, 2460, and we can solve this and we will get the answer. So 1111 upon 2460, 111 upon 2460, it is 0.045, it is 0.045. Okay, this is and it will be vehicles per meter, vehicles per meter. Okay, so 0.045 vehicles per kilometer. The answer is in kilometer, so we just require to convert it into kilometer. So how we will convert it into kilometer? This is in meter. 1 meter is equals to how much kilometer? 1 meter is equals to, okay, 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. Okay, so just we just required to divide it by uh, divide not divide, but actually we just need to multiply it directly, multiplied it by 1000. So it will be uh, just multiply this given number 0.045 into 1000 into 1000. Okay, and you will get the answer 45.12 vehicle per meter, vehicle per kilometer. Okay, okay, 45.12. So 45.12, it means 45. Option D is the correct one. So option D is correct. Okay, so this 45 is the correct answer. The next one is, if the flow is in the speed flow diagram, what happens to the speed after it reaches the maximum flow in the speed flow diagram? So it's a theoretical question, you can solve it by yourself. So I'm just taking next one question. In the speed flow diagram, again the same question is here. Yes, again this both are same. So the question 5 get repeated here, and this is question number 6. If 48 vehicles pass a point over 180-second period, what is the traffic flow? So this is the form. Here this question is very simple. Um it is 48 vehicles, this one, and here we will use this one here. So paste it, this one, cut it. So now you just use this one, this formula. Q is equals to n upon t. Q is equals to n upon t. Okay, so n is the number of vehicles, so 48 vehicles are here, and t means time, so it is 128. Okay, 180 seconds, so it is 180 second is here, 180 second, 48 upon 180, 48 upon 180, so it is 0.266, 0.266, 0.266. It is vehicles per second, vehicles per, and time is in second, so it is in second, time is in second, so it will be in second. So vehicles per second, vehicles per second, 0.266. So the option is vehicle per hour, vehicle per minute, 0.266 second. Okay, the option D is correct, option D is correct. Okay, so we have solved this, and the next question is uh, again the same question is here. So, so the next question is A spot speed of three car is measured as 56.62 km per hour and 1419.4 meter per second respectively. The spot speed. First, I will copy this question. Okay, and open a new paint, paste it. The spot speed of three car is measured as. So now the similar question like it is, vehicles are measuring point and speed for each are recorded as this. What is the mean time? Time mean speed. Time mean speed. Time mean speed. Space mean speed. Time mean speed for the group of cars. So okay, time mean speed we require to find here in this question. So time mean speed for from here we can find the time mean speed. So what is the time mean speed here in this question? Time mean speed we will find time mean speed from here. Time mean speed and the answer is solution is like this. Okay, so it is, what is time mean speed? Okay, so u bar is the time mean speed. First we will find what? Time mean speed. First we will find time mean speed. This time mean. First we will find this time mean speed. Time mean speed is equals to, first we will find time mean speed which is u bar, which is what, which is u bar, and its formula is summation of ui upon n, summation of ui upon n. So what is this ui? The speed for each are recorded as this summation of this. Okay, summation of ui and 50 kilometer per hour. So our speed is a different case, it is 56 kilometer per hour, correct, but 19.4 meter per second. One is 56, one is 56. Yeah, this is okay, but the another one is 19.4, is 19.4 meter per second. 19.4 meter per second we require to convert this 19.4 into kilometer per hour. So what we will do, this we are finding summation u. Okay, summation u I, summation u I, we are finding what, summation ui. So how we will find this? 19.4 is in meter, is in meter per second, is in meter per second, multiplied by 1000 so that it will become kilometer, and divide it by to make it hours, convert it, divide it by 3600. Okay, and you will get summation ui as uh, 56 plus 56 plus it is 19.4 into 1000 divided by 3600, so it is 61.68. Okay, the whole answer is coming as, the complete answer is 61.39 I can say. So 61.40 we can take. So this is, and divide it by number of observation, car to travel. So divide it by only two recording was there. Speed, the spot speed of three car is measured as 56. This speed, the average speed for the car to travel this kilometer. This is also measured as, I don't know, but actually three car and only two speed. Five car pass a manufacturing measuring point as speed for are recorded as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Five vehicle, five speed are here. So three car, only two speed is here. So something is not correct. The average time for the car to travel point 1 kilometer is also measured as 5.22. Three car and only two speed 50, oh 56 62, only plus 62 is also here. One is 56 one is 62 and the next one is 19.4. Okay, so we just required to add, we just required to add 62 also, sorry, plus 62. Okay, so the answer will come plus 62 plus 62. So the answer will come 123.38. 123.39 and divide it to find this mean speed, mean time mean speed divided by 3. So it is 123.39.39 divided by 3. Okay, so divide it by 3 and it will be 41.129. It is 41.129. Okay, it is 41.129. Okay, 41.129. The speed is in kilometer per hour. This speed is kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour. Okay, so this was the time mean speed. I have find only one time mean speed. So the time mean speed is 41.19. 41.19. So the correct answer is, okay, answer is not correct. Answer is not correct. Okay, 41 is not here. So this one, the car to travel, the average time for car to travel zero point 0.1 kilometer is also measured as 5.22 second. 5.22 second. Find the mean time and space mean speed. Okay, how to solve this? Time mean speed. The average time for car to travel zero point 0.1 kilometer measured as is also measured as 5.22 second. For traveling zero point 0.1 kilometer, okay, just a minute. It said here that for traveling car to travel zero point 0.1 kilometer is also measured as 5.22 kilometer, 5.22 second, 5.22 second for 0.1 kilometer, 0.1 kilometer, 5.22 second. For 0.1 kilometer it is kilometer upon it is second. Okay, 0.1 kilometer to the 5.22 second. So we just need to convert this into hours. So just multiply this 5.22 into 3600. So this will be 0.1, 0.1, 5.22, 5.22 into 3600 into 3600. So the it will get converted to kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour. So it is 0.1 divided by 5.22 into 3600. So it is 5.23, 5.32 into 10 to the power minus 6, 10 to the power minus 6. Okay, we just required to add this in this value here. So we just required to add this one here, this one add here. Okay, this thing again add here, and this thing again add here, and then divided by 3. So if I just have this idea that if suppose we will get the answer, Okay, so for 56 plus add 5.32 into 10 to the power 32 plus 5.32 into 10 to the power minus 6. Okay, then plus 19.4 into 1000 divided by 36, 3600, and add it by 5.32 into 10 to the power minus 6. Okay, then 62, and add here 5.32 into 10 to the power minus 6, and the answer will coming out 123 divided by 3. The answer is again 41.129. So 56 plus 5.32 10 to the power minus 6, this, then 19.4 into 1000 upon 36, added by 5.22 10 to the power minus 6 plus 62, added by 5.32 10 to the power minus 6 by 3, 218.218, 218. We are not getting the answer. On the space mean speed. Okay, we will go for space mean speed if suppose we are not getting the answer from time mean speed. So we will try to find out the space mean speed. Okay, so we will try to find out the space mean speed. So just copy new pen. Speed, space mean speed. U bar space mean speed is this one of the vehicle takes 32 seconds to travel the next 0.5 kilometer. What is the space mean speed? Is L upon T. U is equals to L upon T. U is equals to L upon T. This U bar is the space mean speed. Space mean speed. Okay. So space mean speed. The average time for the car to travel zero point 0.1 kilometer. Okay, zero point 0.1 kilometer. Zero point 0.1 kilometer. Here it is 0.5 meter. 0.5 kilometer. Again it is 0.5 kilometer. And the length is and the time is 35 kilometer is right, and is 0.1 and 5.22 second. Zero point 0.1 divided by 5.22 second is 0.019. 0.019 is this one only. If we convert this 0.019 per hour means equal to 3600, so we will get 68.96. Okay, so the second option is correct, but how it is correct? We will find space mean speed here. So we can find space mean speed. Space mean speed Space mean speed. Okay, space mean speed. Space mean speed. Space mean speed. Okay, we just need to find space mean speed, and it is denoted by u bar, which is equals to L upon T, which is equals to L upon T. So the L is length is 0.1 kilometer. Here it is 0.1 kilometer. So just take it as 0.1 kilometer upon time. Time is 5.22 second. 5.22 second. And the answer is 0.1 divided by 5.22. It is 0.019. It is 0.019. Okay, 1915 kilometer per second. Kilometer per second. But we just need to convert it into 0 point into kilometer per hour. We just need to convert it into kilometer per hour. So this is 0.01915 into 3600. Okay, just multiply the answer in by 3600 and you will get 68.96. So you will get 68.96, 68.96 kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour. Okay, so this is 6. So you can find out this second option, 68.96, because the space mean speed is the second one. So second one it is 68.96. So this first one definitely it is 48.8 kilometer per hour. So this is okay. B option, option B is correct here. So the next question is again it is same. I understood. Yes, it is same. So the next one is, so the aerial photograph of 1800 meter section of highway shows that there are 17 tunnels. What is the density of the traffic? So again we can find out it. Find this. This question is again very simple. Okay, so aerial photograph, new paint. Okay, we have already solved this like this. This not this n upon t, and it is n upon t. Yes, what is the density of the traffic? You can find out it similarly by here q is equals to n upon t. Q is equals to n upon t. Q is equals to n upon t. Q is equals to n upon t, and n is the number of vehicle is 17 upon time. Oh, so for length. So by using length upon time. No, not length upon time. K is equals to n upon L. We just need to use the formula. K is equals to, we just need to use the formula. K is equals to n upon L. K is equals to n upon L. Okay, where K is the traffic density. What is this? Is the density, traffic density. K is the traffic density, and n is the number of vehicles. 17 upon L is 1800. 1800. Length is 1800. So 17 by 1800, it will be 17 by 1800. It is 9.44 into 10 to the power minus 3. 9.44. Okay, the second one is correct. Okay, and to the power minus 3, it means 1 2 3. So second option is correct. Velocity, sorry, vehicles per kilometer, but it is vehicles per kilometer. And here the our answer is vehicles per meter. This is 17 vehicles upon 1800 meters. So this is width 9 point this 10 to the power minus 3. So we just have one correction. This is vehicle per meter. So 0 vehicle, if we just need to multiply, we just need to convert it by vehicle per kilometer. So okay, we just need to convert it by vehicle per kilometer. So 1 meter equals to 1000 kilometer. 1 meter equals to 1000. So just multiply, divide it by. So the answer, first of all, the answer is 9.44, 9.44 into 10 to the power minus 3, 10 to the power minus 3, and this is vehicle per meter. Okay, we just required to divide it by 1000 again. So 10 to the power minus 44 into 10 to the power minus 3 upon 1000. So this will get converted into vehicle per kilometer, vehicle per kilometer. Okay, so now this will be again divided by 10 to the power 3, and the answer will be 9.44 10 to the power minus 6, 9.44 10 to the power minus 6 vehicle 1 meter is equals to 1000. 1 meter, okay, we just need to multiply it by 1000. Okay, we just need to multiply it by 1000, so sorry. So we just need to multiply it by 1000. We just need to multiply it by 1000. So it will get converted to vehicle per kilometer. Okay, so it will be 9.44. This and this get will cancel, so it will be 9.44. The answer will be 9.44 vehicle per kilometer, vehicle per kilometer 9.44. So this is 9.44, this is 9.44 vehicle per kilometer. First option A, 9.4 vehicle per kilometer is the correct one. Option A is correct. Okay, option A is correct. Then this one is again same. Yes, this one is again same, so no need to solve this one. And then this one, uh, 5 vehicle, what is the space mean speed? Just add this. So this question is again same. uh, this question is same, we have already solved such a question. बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है, रहने दो. What is the time mean speed? Time mean speed is defined by, if we have the formula u bar is equals to summation u upon n. Summation u is 72, 77 plus 70 plus 73 plus 72 upon n is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 readings are here. So just divide it and you will get the answer. 72 plus 72 plus 77 plus 70 plus 73 plus 72 divide by 5, and the answer is 72.8, 72.8, and the answer will be in kilometer per hour, in kilometer per hour. Okay, 72.8, 72.8, the option D is correct. Okay, this question 9. And again this one is same, this one is again, this one is again same. No, if the distance between the bumpers of successive vehicles is 3 meter, what is the traffic density? Bumpers of successive vehicle is 3 meter. Bumpers, paste it. if the distance between the bumpers of successive vehicle is 3 meter. Okay, distance between the bumper of successive vehicle is 3 meter. S is the distance between bumpers of successive car. Space headway. S is the distance between bumpers of successive car. Okay, is the distance between bumpers of successive car. Successive car space headway. K is equals to 1 upon S. 1 upon S, and K is the traffic density. K is the traffic density. So this one, what is the traffic density? So we have a simple formula. K is equals to 1 upon S. Okay, 1 upon S. So K is the traffic density. We already know K is the traffic density, and S is the successive distance between the bumpers of successive vehicle. S is what? S is the distance between the bumpers of successive vehicles. So S is the distance between the bumpers of successive vehicles. Okay, so this will be 1 upon 3. 1 upon 3. Okay, so it will be 1 upon 3. It is 1 upon 3. It is 0.33 meter. It is 1 upon meter. So the answer will be 0.33 vehicles per meter. We just need vehicles per meter. Vehicles per meter, it is 3 vehicles, otherwise all the readings are in kilometer. So we just need to convert it into kilometer. So 1 upon 3. So 1 upon 3. 1 upon 3. And this is in meter. So okay, this is in 1 upon meter. So just convert it into this. We just require to multiply it by 1000. We just need to multiply it by 1000. Okay, we just multiply it by 1000. So 1 upon 0.33 into 1000 if we do, so the answer will be 333.33. 333.33. 333.33. So option C is correct. Okay, so the option 3 is the correct one. Okay, then the next question is, if the in the speed density diagram, what happens to the speed when the density decreases? You just need to find it by yourself. Okay, if suppose you want, I will definitely find out its answer for you people, but for this you people please comment. Okay, so in the speed density diagram, what happens to the speed when the density decreases? You just refer this lecture 3 and you will definitely find the answer. But and if you want that I must find its answer, I will. If I need to tell you this answer, then please comment here. Okay, and the next one, again, if suppose it is theory problem. Yes, which diagram does this figure refer to? This diagram, this one, this diagram is we can simply find out this one. This one is speed and flow. This one is speed and flow. Speed and flow, the first one is the correct option. Okay, the next one is this one. This diagram is diagram does this figure refer to? This diagram, okay, flow density diagram. So this is the flow density is the second one. Okay, and this next one is, what is the speed at the maximum flow? If the density flow 18820 vehicles per hour and the density at maximum flow is 17, what is the speed at the maximum flow? What is the speed? Free flow speed UF. If the maximum flow 820 vehicles per hour and the density at maximum flow is 17. Okay, we can solve this question very easily. Okay, we can simply solve this question. Okay, we just have one simple formula, which is qm is equals to uf into kj upon 4. uf into kj upon 4. Okay, so qm, what is qm? Qm is the maximum flow. Qm is what? Is the maximum flow, which is 820. Just put it here, 820 vehicles per hour. 820 vehicles per hour is what is the, then uf is the speed which we need to find. Is the speed which we need to find, is the question mark. And kj is the flow density, is the density is which is 17, so uf we need to find. Kj is the 17 upon 4, and just find out this uf. Sorry, we just need to find this uf. Okay, so this is here it is speed is in vehicle per kilometer. Okay, vehicle per kilometer, I just take it as vehicle per kilometer. This 4 is a number only, and here it is 17. 17 is what? Vehicles per kilometer. 70, so 820 is vehicle per not kilometer, which is vehicle per hour. This is vehicle per hour. Okay, this is vehicle per hour. So this is vehicle per hour, this is vehicle per hour, and this 17 is vehicle per kilometer, so this will be kilometer and upon vehicle. Okay, so the unit will be kilometer per hour, so the answer will come in kilometer per hour. Okay, so this is you 820 into 4, 820 into 4 divided by 17, and the answer is 192.94. Answer is 192.94. 192.94, and we will just check for the answer. So it is 192.94 kilometer per hour, and the correct option is in kilometer per hour, vehicle per hour, meter per second, vehicle per hour. Meter per second is also meter per second, kilometer per hour, meter per second. So we just need to convert it into meter per second. Okay, we just need to convert it into meter per second, and for that we will multiply it this 192.94 by 1000. So it will come into meter, and to convert this hour into second, we just divide it by 3600. Okay, so it will come into second. So into 1000 and divide it by 3600, the answer is 53.59. 53.59. 53.59. Is there any answer? No. Means our solution is not correct. Okay, means our solution is not correct. So what we can do, this 820 into, again checking the answer, 840 into 2 upon 17, is 192.94 into 1000 divided by 3600, so 53. So our answer is not correct. The what is the speed at the maximum flow? If the maximum flow 820 vehicles per hour, kj is the maximum flow. Kj is the maximum flow. 820, and density at maximum flow is 17. So if suppose we haven't got the answer, the correct one, so how we will solve it? 53. But here in the option we haven't got the answer. So Q is equals to density at maximum flow. Km is equals to Kj upon 2. Q is equals to flow density relationship. Q is equals to UK. Q is equals to UK. Q is equals to UK. Density at maximum flow UM is the Km UM is the density at maximum flow is the velocity at maximum flow. Qm Km is the density at maximum flow, and um is the velocity at maximum flow. Um is the velocity at maximum flow. Km and we just need to have a proper formula. So just use this formula. uh, we just required to change this formula. Just cut and take this formula. Q is equals to UK into Km, into Km. Okay, so Q, this is Qm, this is Qm, Q maximum, U maximum, and K maximum. M denotes maximum. Maximum flow. U density, and density at maximum flow. Density. Km is the density. Density is 17 vehicles per kilometer. Maximum flow. Density at maximum flow is 17. Km is the density. Km is the density at maximum flow. Km is the density. Okay, Km is the density, and is the speed at maximum flow. Is the speed. Okay, and Qm is how much? Qm is the speed, maximum flow. Qm is the maximum flow. The maximum flow. Okay, maximum flow is 820. It is 820 upon 17. 820 upon 17. Qm is 820 vehicles per hour. So it is per hour vehicles per hour into this 17. The unit of the 17 is vehicles per kilometer. So when it will goes to that side, left side, it will kilometer per vehicle. Okay, so it is vehicle get cancelled. Kilometer per hour will be the answer. So 820 upon 17, and it is 48.23. 48 is 48.23 kilometer per hour. Okay, so the is 48.2 kilometer per hour. So it is not in kilometer per hour. We just need to convert it into meter per second. Okay. If suppose we need to convert it into meter per second, just multiply it. Vehicle per kilometer. This is not UM. Okay. So just cancel it. This is not the part of answer now. Uh, So just when you will divide 820 by 17, you will get answer UM is equals to UM is equals to 48.23 48.23, and this will be in kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour. Okay. So if you just need to convert, we just need to convert it into meter per second. Meter per second. So multiply it by 1000 and divide it by 3600. 23 into, then multiply it by 1000 and divide it by 3600 into 1000 divided by 3600. So the answer is 13.39. So now the answer is 13.39. What is this in the option? 13.39 meter per second. So the option C, 13.39 meter per second, is the correct one. Okay, we can see here we have the answer 13.39 meter per second. So this is the option C is the correct one. Okay, and the last one is again a theory question, so you can solve it by yourself. Okay, and if suppose you want it, you want this question solved by me, so please comment. Okay, so friends, we have solved this quiz 4 of transportation. If suppose you have any problem, if suppose you want to ask me anything, please comment and ask me whatever you want to ask. And if suppose you belongs to some other branch from other than civil, from like mechanical, electrical and computer, any branch, you can comment and you can ask any doubt, any quiz if you want to solve by me. If you want it to solve by me, I will definitely solve the questions. If suppose you want to solve any questions from any class, from anything, from any grade, just please comment. Okay, thank you for watching.